Oh dear kids, today we are going on another adventure with our two best friends. So are you ready? Let's go. Before we are going on our adventure, do like, share and subscribe to all your other cartoon kids. Let's go. Beautiful forest. There lived a two bears named Bunty and Bella. Bunty was always energetic and loved to explore, while Bella was kind and thoughtful, always looking out for others. One day they both came across a young girl hanging from the tree. He jumped up excitedly and said, "Let's take the honey and share it." But Bunty didn't wait for Bella. He quickly climbed the tree and grabbed the honeycomb. "I will eat it myself all," he thought, but he didn't say it aloud. I watched Bunty with a concern. "Bunty, we should share the honey," she said. "Walk up the tree slowly. If we share, both of us can enjoy it, and it will taste sweeter." Bunty didn't listen, and instead he ran off the tree with a honeycomb. He ran through the forest with the honey. He tripped over the rock and dropped it. The honey rolled away and Bunty couldn't find it. "Oh no," he cried. "I lost it all, honey." I heard the Bunty's cry and came to help. "Don't worry, Bunty," she said kindly. "We can find honey together." They both searched the forest carefully. After a while, finally found it. The honey bucket is still full and intact. And Bunty didn't try to take all honey for himself. He looked at Bella and said, "You are right. We should have shared honey with each other." "I'm sorry, Bella." Bella smiled and replied, "It's okay, Bunty. Let's share the honey now." They sat down together and enjoyed the honey, laughing and talking about their adventures and their friendship. "Bunty, you know we have to stock the honey before the winters, so let's do it." They finished the honey. Bella looked at Bunty's and said, "Remember, Bunty, it's always better to share with the others, especially friends. It makes everything sweeter." Bunty nodded, feeling happy that he had a kind friend like Bella. Kids, the moral of the story is sharing with the others bring more happiness than keeping things to yourself. True friends always help each other. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Daniel Heather Cartoon for Kids. I will meet you in the next exciting video. Until goodbye.